The first time that you want to take the existing stylus off, it's going to be a little bit tight, so you just need to be really careful and gentle with it. There are instructions in the manual, you can see here, so if you just follow those you'll be fine. But like I said, the first time it will be quite stiff, so you just need to be really gentle. I suggest keeping it locked in on the tone arm, and then hold the tone head just very carefully, and then what you need to do is just use your fingernail to push this down. It's going to be stiff the first time, so just try and hold the head as firm as possible, like as still as possible, and then just use your fingernail to push it down. And then what you want to do is slide it off. Now this is going to be a bit stiff as well, so what you can do is just use your fingernails to get in on either side, just to push it forward a little bit until you can slide it off. Okay, it just unclips. It actually is quite firm, so what you can do is push it down and then just move that away from the surface. So, and then when you're replacing the needle, you grab the new one, and again, be careful not to touch the needle itself. What you want to do is just maneuver it on carefully onto the bottom there. It's going to be a bit of a tight fit, so you're just sliding it up a little bit and then pushing it all the way back till you can hear it click, and then you push this back up here at the front until that clips. That's how you replace the needle, so that should not move. If that moves when you're touching it, if it pops down, then it's not clipped in properly.